Welcome back to Ask Your Injury Lawyers, presented by the national injury law firm of Buttafuoco and Associates. Today's episode is centered around a topic that most clients don't think about and they don't expect, and that is understanding why it takes so long for the legal process to play out itself for someone's case, and why being patient through that process is actually the best thing a client can do for the value of their case. So here is the cold hard truth about timing in personal injury law. Great legal results, they aren't fast, they are strategic. And rushing will lead to missed evidence, undervalued injuries, and low settlement offers. Insurance companies love when people are impatient because that's when they can give a low settlement offer because they know people in that position, they just want to get things done with. Building a strong case takes time, and here's why. They're going to need full medical treatment records, and it's crucial to understand the full extent of your injuries. Also, they're going to want to gather expert opinions, witness statements, and documentation that proves liability and damages. Third, they're going to want to negotiate strategically, not emotionally, based on what's best for you and the long-term outcome of your case. Four, they're going to want to prepare every single case as if it's going to trial. Even if it settles, this level of preparation, it takes time, but it maximizes value. So what happens when you rush a case? Accepting early settlements means giving up money you may need for future medical care or lost wages. And settling too fast, it's going to lock you into that amount, and there's no going back later. So insurance companies, they're going to use these delay tactics, hoping you'll get impatient and you will settle low. Here are some recommendations to clients who currently have a case so that you have more understanding and can see that value in letting the legal process play out. First, be honest and thorough with your doctors and lawyers. The more complete the info, the stronger your case. Two, stay consistent with medical appointments and follow-up treatments. This shows you're serious and it documents your injuries. Three, avoid calling for constant updates. Trust that your legal team is actively working behind the scenes. Four, ask questions, but don't demand speed. Fast doesn't mean better. Five, understand that your case is unique. Timelines vary depending on injuries, evidence, and legal complexity. Also, help us help you. You hired us to fight for maximum value, not for a quick check. Trust the process, stay engaged, and let the attorneys do what they do best. The firm's track record was built on doing things the right way, not the rushed way. If you or someone you know has been injured and you want a lawyer that's going to fight for every single dollar, call the injury attorneys at Buttafuoco and Associates at 1-800-NOW-HURT, or you can visit us online at 1-800-NOW-HURT.com. We'll see you next time on Ask Your Injury Lawyers.